Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another Legend of Zelda Skyward Sword HD video with sound effects. And today, we are going to be exploring the Earth Temple. Saving is most important in times like this. Yeah! Yee! What the... Oh, I missed the sound effect. Here we go. Yeah. Ha. All right. All right, and okay. Let's go! Fuego is on a roll. Alright. Master, I am detecting new enemies ahead. They appear to be creatures of very significant physical ability. Target an enemy and call me. I will then share any data on that enemy. Okay. Yeah. Tell me about the what the... Target lock, Lizalfos.
This unmistakable monster is equipped with an armed guard made of hard iron. Great physical prowess makes it difficult to predict its movement. You will need to anticipate the direction of its armed guard to successfully land an attack on the exposed angle. You have defeated 0 of this enemy type. I am unable to analyze your battle performance rating with this opponent due to insufficient data.
Okie dokie then, Fi. We get it now. Come on then. Come on then. Woo! That was crazy. Hey, lizard tail. What do you need?
Your hearts have decreased quite dramatically. Replenish some of your life at the earliest opportunity. You have elected to engage hero mode, so hearts and heart flowers will not appear. I recommend utilizing potions.
Alright. Oh. Alright.
Hit the like button and subscribe before you spend 5 nights at Diddy's.
Okay then. What a voice crack. Alright. Let's save. Right here. This has been your boy, Fuego, and I appreciate you guys watching the video. Now, understand the reason why I'm quitting is because I want to bring this up to my fans and everyone who's new to the channel. If you would like to see some Skyward Sword HD, if you want to see the continued series of sound effects, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. I would highly appreciate it. It would help out the channel and I would get noticed more. So do me a favor and go ahead and do that. It's free. You don't have to pay for anything. And yeah, I'll catch y'all later. Take care and peace.